We live in a digital world, and it's becoming more digital every day. The way we communicate is changing, and new technologies are disrupting the way we work, meaning we all need to be more productive.
Using the phone, putting the report in is so much quicker than handwriting out our logs, and we do have a lot more time to spend with each and every client that we have.
To compete in this connected world, businesses need to keep up.
Using total workforce mobility, our engineers manage the workload wherever they are.
Embrace a changing workforce and meet growing customer demands.
I would definitely say that it's made the engineers probably an hour more productive in each day.
The power of productivity can help. By improving management practices, changing the way technology is used, and implementing workforce flexibility, businesses can drive productivity by up to 20%.
It makes our lives so much easier and makes investigating crimes so much quicker. Do you know what I mean? I feel a lot more confident with it and pride in the job that I've done because of the functionality that it's given me.
Vodafone can help unleash this productivity.
You're never going to be sat at your desk all day, because that's just not how we keep the business moving.
Our suite of technology propositions create workplaces that are more agile and flexible, enabling colleagues to communicate from anywhere.
We are on the move, we're constantly on our phones because we literally need to utilise every minute we get, really.
And empowering people to work smarter, not harder. Rethink the way you work.